Konix. Multi-system. Experience the reality.
Say 100,000 divided 50. 160,050 by 50 polygons a second. Shit! That's quite good. 3,250 by 50 polygons a frame. Nah.
It's the DSP can set it up.
Yeah. If you say 3,000, it'll be conservative. Oh, this yellow time is for the blitter to clear this area, this rectangle. The white time is for the DSP to calculate the endpoints of the lines, and for the blitter to plot the polygons. And the pink time is for it to calculate the rotational mass, to form the rotational mass for the polygons. That's the 8088. Most of this white will disappear because the DSP and blitter will be working in parallel, whereas at the moment we're working in series. DSP finishes and then the blitter starts.
Okay.
And also the pink will move up into here as well, because that will be in parallel. Once the blitter's finished, the 86 will
Show us
start.
the speed you've got this working at.
Range of moves available and the scale of animation.
Yeah. He's big.
And a set of different.
Yeah, like, oh, God,
That's
that's different races.
That's all right. Okay. Come on,
What will probably happen is we vary on the finer details of how you choose them, etc. You know,
Right. Okay.
not the overall plan, that you have 3 races and 3 vehicles. Yeah, you've got to have 3 vehicles,
Yeah.
as you know.
Well, we can discuss.
Yeah, but I mean, yeah, I don't.
That's fine. January till late Christmas. It depends. I suppose we're hoping to get there.
It depends a lot on the RPM, so.
White track goes slowly off the tires. Yeah. We have straight tires, yes. There's like some chains on it. You should slide on that corner. Yeah. So we haven't got any pass lines there. Haven't got any corner curves. No. That's what we could call it. Yeah. That's what we call it, mate. Show where it's going, mate.
Okay, radar jammers. And him.
Kinetics.
And I've also got jumping onto the platforms and off.
Show us the next screen then, Liv.
I've got the doors operating, screening key. That wasn't working before. Yeah.
Now those, you've got some static enemies on there.
Yes. So it's the types of the enemies you will find on the screen. Doesn't work properly.
You're walking past those. But the idea is you have to actually negotiate your way across those, right?
Yeah. Well, I mean, effectively you use both characters to control the,
So he's too heavy.
Yeah.
Right.
So you control the movement of the.
And really a lot of it's going to come when I put the scoring and that in as well.
We'll have a chair in August as well, so that if you want to come and spend a day with us, you can then put the chair and tweak it at the same time.
I'll finish that level. Shall I put the
Yeah.
second level on?
Put music on with this one as well, Jeff.
Music on
Yeah.
as well, okay. Let's just finish the rest of this. Oops. Come on. Oh.
So this is going to be one of the levels, probably first level or something.
Yeah, this will be, yeah.
Hi, my name's Chris Gibbs of Attention to Detail, and what I'd like to do is run through the art package for the Konix toolkit, explaining all the features that are going to be in it, useful for developers. It's about 3/4 of the way through, and anything that is going to be put into it, I'll explain it to you this afternoon. It runs on a PC with a minimum of 640k. If you have extended memory, extra memory, it will try and make use of it. And it needs to run in VGA mode because of the 256 colours it has to support. So you'll need a VGA card. Right, what I do now then is move over to the screen and I'll show you the package and what it looks like and what you can do with it. Please excuse the flicker. So, in the centre you have the area that you actually do your artwork on, that's your piece of paper. On the left and right are two control panels. This one to select the various functions, and this one is to select the various colours. And as time goes on, you'll see how those both work. The look of it is in its developmental stage. These buttons don't tell you a lot. They will be little icons, self-explanatory ones, and moreover, if you move across one, it will pop up a menu of all the various options that you can do. Right, so first things first, I'll load up a typical screen you might use for developing a game, and show you some of the functions on that screen that I needed to create for one of the demonstration programs we wrote for Konix. And there's a series of cut-out digitised heads and some small little sprites that are also used in the demo. Now what I can do is show you the major functions of the package with this screen as a sample. First things first, that's your cursor used to your pen point basically. And it's got all the normal operations you'd expect to find in an art package, such as drawing, like this, lines, let's just do a line over here, boxes, frames, and circles will be implemented, and so will discs. To change the colour that you're using, the idea is that there are your 256 colours, and you can click on any one of these groups of 16 colours to highlight it, like that. So if the colour you require is in this group of 16, you click on it, and then with one press of the mouse button you can bring the colours to the mouse point and select it with just moving the mouse a few pixels to find the colour. So if I want red, I move on to red, let go of the button, and it's now selected. And that box is highlighted there to tell you your current colour. So now, if I do a frame, it's in that red.
Hi, I'm Martin Green of Attention to Detail. We've been producing the toolkit for Konix Products Limited, and I, with a colleague, have been producing the music package. I'd like to take you through the 3 parts of the music package now on screen. I'm assuming that you've read the notes provided. I apologise for the flicker on the display here. This is the voice editor program as described in the notes I've given you. The voice editor program is linked into the user's sound production program and allows them to play around with whatever synthesis technique they've got going. The technique I'm running here is a variant of FM, which I'm trying to see what I can produce with it. Each of the sliders on the screen is attached to one parameter on the FM synthesis. So by messing around with the sliders, we can change the tones. The program is designed to be very flexible. Each slider is set up so that you can change which parameter of the DSP it affects. If anybody comes along with their own synthesis algorithm, we can run the voice editor and it will interface to their program.
Konix. Multi-system. Experience the reality.